to my channel. I am Vagisha Mishra and today I am going to discuss my final predictions for Miss USA 2020. So the last week had been super hectic for me and I had taken a week off from Instagram and YouTube. So today I am back and I'm so happy to be sharing my favorites with you all. I just finished watching the prelims of Miss USA 2020 and I must say that this batch is really good, and after a very long time we have seen such a competitive batch competing with each other for the coveted title of Miss USA. So I am very excited who will be representing Miss USA at the Miss Universe pageant this year. And let's just dive in straight into the video and let's just know my favorites. So let's get started. So initially I'll be sharing my top 15 favorites and I won't be ranking them as usual, but I'll be ranking my top 5 favorites when I reach to my top 5 predictions. So I'll be ranking my favorites then. So starting my top 15 favorites with Miss Alabama. I believe that Alabama was quite decent in the prelims competition and she wasn't very good that she may enter in the top 5, but she wasn't very bad either. Overall, I liked her performance and she gave a quite decent performance, and I see her placing in the finals of Miss USA 2020. But also, apart from liking her prelims, I believe that Miss USA and Miss Universe pageant are now more about closed door interview, which we don't have access to. So we cannot really say that who's going to make it further in the competition, and this list can completely go into change because we don't know how these candidates answer the questions in the closed door interview. So all the predictions which I'm going to make is just based on the interviews which I have seen till date and whatever performance they gave during the prelims. So let's start with Alabama. Next up, I have Miss North Dakota. I believe that she gave quite a decent performance in the prelims and she has a stunning face. I went through her Instagram and I found that her overall styling is quite impressive. She looks great, she is always smiling and her facial expressions is filled with positivity. All in all, I see her placing in the semifinals. Up next, I have New Jersey. I feel that she gave a very strong competition in the prelims and she performed very well. Her overall eyes expression, her facial expression, the way she gazed into the camera and the confidence with which she walked on the runway, that is totally impeccable. And I definitely see her placing in the semifinals if she gives her best in the interviews as well. Up next, I have Georgia. Georgia gave a good performance in the prelims, but I felt that her evening gown round was something a little bit flat. So I expected more from her. I'm in love with her fit body. She's so fit that she can actually give a run for money for her fellow contestants. So this is actually good, and I feel that she needs to buck up her energy level to a higher notch so that she can actually stand out in the competition if she gets shortlisted as one of the semi-finalists at the Miss USA 2020 pageant. Up next in my top 15 is Miss Virginia. I feel that she is a very stunning lady and the kind of advocacy which she brings into picture, that is something really commendable. I feel that she has a strong story to tell, the kind of empathy which she arises in the audience when she talks about her family and also when she talks about herself is something which I actually believe that can take her forward in the competition. Apart from that, she has a very stunning face and I really loved her performance, especially during the swimsuit round at the Miss USA 2020 prelims. So I see her placing if she gives her best in the interview round, which I am kind of sure that she did. So let's hope for the best and let's hope that Virginia makes it. Now talking about my top 10 favorites for Miss USA 2020, I would like to open my top 10 favorites with Alicia Gupta, who's representing California at Miss USA 2020. So I feel that she gave a decent performance in the prelims. However, I felt that she was actually a bit low on energy when she was walking down the runway, and I actually expected a lot more from her. So I was very surprised when she couldn't deliver to that extent which I expected her to be. So that was something which was a little bit disappointing, but other than that, let's not forget that she has been consistent in her journey since the beginning, and I feel that if given a chance, she may perform well during the finals. So based on her prelims performance, I feel that she may be one of the top 10 finalists as of now. Next up in my top 10 favorites for Miss USA 2020 is Louisiana. Maria Clayton is representing Louisiana at Miss USA 2020 and I was very impressed with her prelims. I mean, she was dressed in a very simple way, but she has that kind of aura which can actually demand attention and she has that magnetism in her expressions and in her overall personality that can pull in the audience towards her. So I definitely see her placing. I don't know why my sixth sense says that she might have given very good performance during the closed door interview. We don't have an access to it, but whatever I feel after watching her interviews to different social media bloggers and different media campaigns, I feel that she is quite a strong speaker. And if she has a story to tell or not, that only time will tell. But I definitely see her placing because I feel that she has something extraordinary. She has that charm which few people don't have at the Miss USA 2020 pageant. So she has something special, and I actually feel the beam of positivity reflecting from her personality, from her aura, and that's why I feel that she can actually do well in the competition. So she is one of my top 10 favorites for Miss USA 2020. Up next, I have District of Columbia. So I was in love with her performance in the prelims. I really loved how she was smiling throughout in the competition, and she was very calm, poised and composed while walking down the runway during the prelims, and she gave a great performance both in swimsuit as well as in the evening gown round. I think she carried herself very well with poise and composure, and I see her doing extremely well in the finals as well. So if she gets shortlisted, I think she has a long way to go. Also, up next I have Hawaii. I think she was beautiful in the prelims. I was in love with her styling, her overall composure. She looked beautiful, she gave a beautiful performance, and I think she has done her job impeccably well. So we don't need to have words to justify her presence, because everybody till now has seen how impeccable she is on the stage when she takes over. I think she can do quite well at the Miss USA 2020 finals if she gets shortlisted. Up next, I have Stephanie Miranda from Ohio. I feel she was very strong in the prelims. The way she walked with the confidence during the evening gown as well as in the swimsuit round, I feel that she can actually give a very strong performance in the finals of Miss USA 2020, and I have currently placed her in my top 10 favorites in no particular order. But I feel that if she excels well in the finals, I think she has that caliber, that persona to even foray ahead in the competition. And now finally, let's talk about the top 5 favorites whom I think has the sure shot chance of winning Miss USA 2020 if only they nail their closed door interviews. So at number 5, I have Miss Oklahoma. The last time I saw Oklahoma performing extremely well at the Miss USA pageant was when Olivia Jordan was representing Oklahoma. She ended up winning the first round for her state and also went on to represent USA at Miss Universe, where she finished as the second runner-up. So I feel that this time as well, Oklahoma has sent a very gorgeous candidate to Miss USA pageant, and there are few women who take up the stage and they actually stun everybody with their gorgeousness, their charm, their facial expressions, their overall beauty, and I feel that Oklahoma is certainly one among them. She was beautiful throughout, the way she walked in the swimsuit round and during the evening gown round. I feel she slayed it, and especially during the swimsuit round, I feel she was very confident and very firmly assured of herself that she is performing well. I think she needs to buck up her energy level during the evening gown round, which I'm sure she will if she gets shortlisted for Miss USA 2020 finals, which I am kind of sure that she will. So I feel that if she gets shortlisted, I think she will perform extremely well and may even give other girls a run for their money who will be competing for the title. So my eyes on Oklahoma. Up next at number 4, I have Massachusetts. I think she performed very well in the prelims, and she has that beautiful aura which screams Miss Universe quality. I think with the Black Lives Matter trending all across the globe, I feel that many of the strong black women are coming out and they are projecting their ideas in a very beautiful way, and I think Massachusetts is one among them. So I feel that she can certainly be the crown contender of Miss USA 2020. She performed very well in both swimsuit and evening gown round, and she beams confidence. She looks very assured of herself. She has that personality which screams attention, and definitely for the right reasons. So I certainly see her in my top 5 of Miss USA 2020. At number 3, I have Idaho. So I was following Miss USA since quite a long time, but I wasn't very certain who will be performing well. But I was waiting for the prelims, and when prelims arrived, I feel that Idaho was the one who shined out so beautifully. She was a very good performer, especially in the evening gown round. I think she was very stunning. Her styling was quite great, and she slayed in the rounds of both swimsuit and evening gown. But again, as I have said, that our competition is not merely based on the prelims, but it is majorly based on the interviews as well. So I don't know if she can be a great speaker or not, but certainly I get a very good vibe from her. I feel that she is quite strong in the competition, and definitely she is one of my top 3 favorites for the crown, and I won't be surprised if she ends up winning Miss USA 2020 title as well. Now on number 2 I have Indiana. Indiana was nowhere in my top 5 before, but after watching the prelims competition, I feel that she was so beautiful in both the swimsuit and evening gown round. I mean, I was very impressed with her performance during the prelims, and she looked very beautiful. Again, as I have said in my previous reviews as well, if there is one woman who actually looks like the winner, she was it. Her styling was so good. I'm not saying that she will actually end up winning the crown, but if I talk about the overall appearance and the overall styling, I think she has that kind of charm which screams the winner quality, that she looks the star of the night. So she was very beautiful in that red gown, and I definitely see something very strong in her cards as of now. So I will be really happy if she goes ahead in the competition and may even end up grabbing the main title. So Indiana is someone whom I think that can perform very well in the Miss USA 2020 finals. And now talking about my Miss USA 2020 winner, I think Andrea Gabao from New York is my winner, who I think can actually grab the title of Miss USA 2020. I have seen her performing well in her international pageant where she represented USA at Miss Earth, and I feel that she was actually deserving of the title in the year where she competed. But nonetheless, I feel that something better is waiting for her, and she has something brighter prospects in her cards where she will be representing USA at Miss Universe, and who knows, she may perform very well there. Now, since I have actually listened to her interviews when she was performing at the Miss Earth pageant, I feel that Andrea Gabao is certainly somebody who should not be ignored. She was one of the front runners since the beginning of the Miss USA competition, and after watching her prelims, I feel that she is the one who actually deserves the title of Miss USA 2020. So I won't be surprised if she ends up winning it all. So my winner for Miss USA 2020 in my final prediction is Andrea Gabao from New York. So that was all for today's video. These are my top 15 favorites for Miss USA 2020. Do let me know in the comment section who do you think should be the next Miss USA. And also don't forget to check out the evening gown and swimsuit prelims reviews on my channel. And also turn on the bell icon so that you will be the first to get notified whenever a video goes live at my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time.